Hello everyone, here we have the latest Zika coffee robot from Chengbo Jidian. It includes robotic arm, coffee extractor, milk freezer, ice maker, cup dispenser, and printer. We've got many coffee choices, common coffees, latte art coffees, and printed coffees. After payment, we can see the robotic arm begin to operate. Check. Reset. Our coffee robot uses two entirely imported ARS high-pressure powerful water pumps to supply water, enabling coffee and water to be dispensed at the same time, cutting preparation time in half and ensuring stable extraction for rich and authentic coffee flavor. At the same time, we can see that the milk freezer is in operation. The milk freezer uses a boiler milk frozen system and steam freezing to ensure that the milk foam is made at a temperature between 60 and 70 degrees, giving each sip of milk foam a rich and smooth texture. We use a 6-axis robotic arm equipped with a visual capture system and intelligent learning capabilities to accurately replicate the techniques of a coffee master. Now you can see the robotic arm perfectly replicating the latte art movements of the latte artist. We use a robotic arm self-cleaning system, ensuring that each cup of coffee is hygienic. After raising, the robotic arm returns the cup to its original position.